Okay. Right, well, welcome to Luxor and our Dahabiya, Saray, built in 1882. A Dahabiya from the golden age, the Belle Epoque of the Nile cruises, or these Dahabiyas, these golden boats. And I just wanted to give an introduction, an overview of this little renovation project that we've got going between now, which is September 2019, and over the next 8 weeks. And just give you a little bit of background and a sense of what it is we're trying to do here and where we are now and where we hope to be in perhaps the end of October. This Dahabiya belonged to a French owner until very recently, and she worked on this boat for many years and brought it up to a very high standard of renovation and refit and refurbishment. We feel actually in such a way that it makes this boat possibly unique in the sense that the furnishings, the decoration and whole feel of the boat is as close as you can get to how these boats were back at the end of the 19th century. And so we've got a very good starting point. The boat has been allowed to age a little, perhaps in the last few years, and so we need to bring things back up and perhaps go on beyond to a high level of renovation to where she was even just, say, 3 years ago. And I think it's just interesting for maybe people who are interested in these boats and enjoy cruising on Dahabiyas, just to see maybe how these boats are looked after and maintained and what sort of processes go on. There are two more videos that we'll make just to, almost as a record of this renovation. One to show how the paintwork inside the boat is being conserved and renovated, brought back to a high standard. There's a very skilled guys team now working today and for the next 2 weeks on some of the hand-painted work, panels and so on inside the boat. It's very highly skilled and they're doing a great job. And you'll see in the next video some of the work, and Abu Hassan, who's the team leader, will explain and describe the sort of things that they're doing, which is quite interesting. And the second video will be really about showing how the boat is taken out into dry dock. You'll see some video footage of quite a magical way they lift these old boats out of the water, put them into dry dock. And I think that's a nice thing to see. It'll be interesting. And she'll be out there for the hull, which is an iron hull, which was made originally in Scotland, back in, as I say, in 1882. And that's going to be replated, repaired and so on, just to make sure it's strong. We're also going to be replacing the canvases on top of the boat, some sail work. The rear mast needs some repair, new ropes, painting, quite a few things actually. And I'm hoping that Raif, Captain Ashraf, who's been with the boat for 13 years, so he knows the boat very well, that he will explain things and show us some of the more interesting aspects of that part of the renovation. And I'm hoping that those two videos will show a little journey from where she is now in in the current condition, before and after. You will see in hopefully 8 weeks' time the boat taken up a notch, given a facelift, and see where she is. So she's then going to be ready, we hope, for some bookings later on in this cruising season. The season really, I suppose, starts anytime from October, when the weather's cooler, through to the end of the spring, really. And then we go into another cycle, part of that cycle of the refits and renovations. These boats need constant annual upgrading, upkeep and renovation. Our neighbour, sadly, usually moors here, is the Sudan, quite well known, Thomas Cook steamer from 1917, so about 40 years younger than this boat. But the renovation there is unbelievable. We're very envious of where they've got that boat to, and of course much bigger boat than this. We're seeing them constantly working on the boat, which needs constant care and attention. We love these old boats, and they're rare, and they're an absolute delight to I suppose, cruise on, sail on, whether it's from Cairo to Luxor or Luxor on to Aswan or whatever. They're a delight to be on and enjoy. Okay, I think that's a wrap, and I leave you